Hi everyone, I'm Shalu here today and I would like to warm welcome everyone who is watching my video. So without any delay, let's get started today's session. So today I just talking on um, topic believe on yourself. Okay, so without any delay, let's get started. If you have guys not believe on yourself, then you cannot name and never achieve anything in your life. If you want to achieve anything in your life, then you just have to make yourself confident and believe on yourself. Okay, if you are believing on yourself, then you feel confident. For confident, you will have to work very hard and um, towards your goal. Okay, like your every step related to your goal. If your every step related to your goal, then you can easily achieve anything in your life. So just keep this thing in your mind, like you want to make yourself fluent in English. So what will you do? So you will do one thing, like you will do practice on daily basis. If you doing this thing, then you can achieve your goal one day, because you are practicing on daily basis. You uh, giving effort towards your work. That's why you can make yourself perfect. So this thing is very important for any goal, any purpose of your life. It's not matter your purpose or goal are little or very large. For anything, you just have to make yourself confident and try to work hard and smart work. All this thing is very important. If you are following this thing, then I'm sure guys you will achieve your aim one day. So never procrastinate anything. Okay, if you want to do something, then make yourself very confident by the help of practicing, and make yourself loyal towards your work. If you are loyal, you are not making yourself fool, then you can do anything. So never tell a lie from yourself. If you are telling lie from yourself, then you cannot achieve anything in your life, because you are thinking like today I am unable to work this thing, I will do this thing tomorrow definitely. But friends, tomorrow never come. Okay, and if you want to do something, then just today it's enough for doing anything. Just take decision today and start working on that decision today. Then you can achieve anything. For doing anything in life, I think you should not to take more time, because if you are taking more time to thinking one day one thing, if you take 1 year time for thinking one goal of your life, then I think this is a very long time. So just try to take decision as soon as possible. After that, try to work on that decision. If you are not working on that decision, then you can never achieve. Only you can uh, imagine in your mind, and it's like fake. If you are not working that thing, then you can never achieve anything. So keep this thing in your mind. If you want to do something in your life, then you will have to work very hard and very smartly for achieving anything in your life. So I hope you all are understanding what I want to say actually. Like, if you want to make yourself perfect in English, so just make yourself loyal from your spoken part. Try to practice on daily basis. Try to give time on daily basis as more as you can give time. Okay, so it's totally depend on you. If you are giving time 5 minutes on daily basis, then make sure you are loyal and you are giving time 5 minutes on daily basis. Okay, so if you are doing this thing, then you can easily speak English. It's not a very big deal. If your aim and your goal and your dedication is very pure like your heart, so I think you all are understanding what I want to say. And I think this video is enough for you. I hope all are you enjoying my video and my video is helpful for you. So bye bye everyone. I will meet you in next video. Till that time, keep smile, keep yourself happy and your surrounding happy, and try to help other people. Bye bye everyone.